Hi friends, welcome back. I'm so glad that you came back again for another Storytime Moments with Mimi. I hope you're doing well today. Are you ready? I have a really fun book for you today. It's called Don't Push the Button. Are you ready for this? It says, "Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button." Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Ready? Oh, now I'm yellow. Push it again. Push. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. 1, 2. Ack! Now there's 2 of me. Push the button a bunch of times. Push it a bunch of times. What's gonna happen? Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the Larrys. Are you ready? Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Are you ready? We got to scratch Larry's tummy. Scratch, 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 scratch. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was such a cool book. It was so silly and funny. I'm so glad that you came back for Storytime Moments. I'll see you again.